Carving roast pork can be difficult, so we're going to score the skin. Use a sharp blade, start at the top and work your way straight down. Do another one. Now, the only problem now is that those slices will fuse together as the pork cuts. So, every 1 2/3, we're going to take that bit of skin out. So, get the blade behind it, be careful, pinch up, slice there, and remove that bit of skin. Then on to the next third slice, and repeat the process. So it looks like that, and carry on along the whole length of the pork loin. You don't need to know any fancy butcher's knots. Put the string in between the skin there, flip it over, do one simple knot, and then go around it again and again, pull tight. There'll be enough tension in that knot that you don't need another person to give you a hand, and then just another simple knot all the way through, nick it off, and there we go. As you can see, the skin has split apart and now it's easily to carve. So we can decide how many portions we want to get out of that, but we don't need to cut through the skin. We can just go down these gaps here once we've removed the string.